Awesome. Right. Seats adjusted and locked. Seats adjusted secure. Parking brakes are on. Radios are off. Instrument service sense. Off. Mixing full and free movement set. Rich. 3-wheel setting check. 3-wheel set quarter inch open. Car beat set cold. Master switch on. Brake are on. Fuel cock is on. Primer is on. 1, 2, 3. Close door. Key in. Start. Clear, prop. Hold the throttle, hold the throttle, hold the throttle, and go. Oil pressure is in green. Oil temperature is good. Start one light is out. Ammeter is charging. Suction is registering, and we'll check the magnetoscope in 1, 2, 1, 2. Perfect. They can turn on. Can turn on, and I can hear myself, and I can turn on the radio like that. I can turn that on as well. That is excellent. Right, close that, close that, close that. Time 41. 10:41. That's E, T, L, D, E, off. Dush, 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 dush. Sweet. 10:41. That is on. We need to just connect to the Wi-Fi. Press to accept.
046 at 10, gusting 21 knots. Take of your discretion.
Runway 02, Golf Tango Mike.
And confirm QNH 1026.
Beg your pardon, yep, QNH 1026, Golf Tango Mike.
Traffic 3 o'clock, 9 kilometers, 1,200 feet above.
What is information? Good afternoon, Helicopter Golf, correction, good morning, Helicopter Golf, Hotel Uniform X-Ray.
Good morning, Golf Hotel Uniform X-ray. Roger information. Understand 1 POB from Essex. Join from runway 02 left-hand circuit. DQFE 1011.
P1011 and 02 left-hand circuit. I'll report downwind for 02, Golf X-Ray.
Roger.
Roger, information. Good afternoon. This is Golf Bravo Charlie from Yankee.
Good morning, Golf Bravo Charlie Uniform Yankee. Roger information. Reading 5. Understand 1 POB for a local flight. Taxi from runway 02 left-hand circuit. QNH 1026.
Taxi runway 02 left-hand circuit and QNH 1026 Golf Uniform Yankee. If goes probably wrong. Options are echo and dark, and then failing that lid. Nice big apple. Big runway. Actually, we'll step south end as well, so we have many options.
Traffic 12 o'clock, 10 kilometers, 700 feet above. Traffic 11 o'clock, 5 kilometers, 700 feet above.
Throttle. Trim myself, take off. Throttle is finger tight, mixture is rich. Magnetos are on both and master switch is on. Heater heat.
Golf Tango Mike CBC circuit to the
Primer is locked.
Chase Farnborough.
Fuel on, and we have 10
Golf
gallons
Tango
per
Mike
size of 20 gallons.
123225. Enjoy.
123, 225. Golf Tango Mike, thank you. Bye bye. And Golf X-ray downwind, left hand 02.
Golf X-ray report final 02.
Oh, final 02, Golf X-ray.
X-ray runway 027 and 06013 gusting 21 knots at your discretion, then backtrack to the YH in front of the old tower.
My discretion 02 and YH in front of the old tower, Golf X-ray.
Break, Golf Yankee Rochester.
Golf Yankee.
Could you please fall forward to the north part? We've got a helicopter landing, which we need to come behind you onto the helipad.
Roger, do you want me to move forward a bit?
Ethan, pass the hold board, please.
Roger, to the hold board.
X-ray on the main runway, please.
Oh, just next right here.
Just backtrack the main runway, please.
So remain on the main runway.
Hey, firm.
Thanks, X-ray.
Traffic 12 o'clock, 200.
And backtrack when you're ready.
Check when ready, Golf X-ray.
Gig 1 aircraft up the 02 hold.
Golf X-ray, copied. And so first YH or the one, just the second one?
The second one next, or adjacent the old tower.
Golf X-ray, thank you.
Right, just waiting 2 minutes for the wash to disappear.
Golf X-ray, please confirm POB.
We are 3 POB, Golf X-ray.
Thank you. Truck will be reduced to your place. Stop.
Thank you for that, Golf X-ray.
Traffic 5 o'clock, 60 meters, 100 feet below.
Road from Yankee, ready for departure, sir?
Affirm, I was just waiting a minute for the wash.
Roger, good call.
And Golf Uniform Yankees ready for departure.
Welcome Yankee, runway 02, surface wind 05 10, gusting 20 knots, take it for your discretion.
Taking off runway 02, Golf Uniform Yankee. back into the circuit to do some circuits.
What got Vader of Yankee, John runway 02, left hand circuit, the QFE 1011.
QFE 1011, joining on the downwind, copy of me. Sorry, join on the dead side.
Roger, boys, there for a minute, yeah. Report dead side for 02.
Report dead side, copy of me.
taxi to the North Park adjacent to Indy Alpha. We got one of the helicopters shortly depart, and I think the jet wash, the dome wash will be quite significant for you.
Okay, India Alpha and Wilco, Golf Juliet Charlie.
Thank you.
Golf Hotel X X-rays ready to start with VFR back to private site in Essex.
Golf Hotel Unified X-ray, ready to be 5. The QNH rather is 1026. Use runway 02 left hand circuit. Start approved call when ready to lift.
Start approved and 1026 and start our call ready to lift, Golf X X-ray.
Golf Yankees on final 02, touch and go.
Looking Yankee runway 02, service wind 05017, gusting 21 knots, touch and go, your discretion.
Touch and go, my discretion, Golf Uniform Yankee. Oh, this is gonna be fun. Alright. Go to feet, can't be go cold. Oh. across on this bit. There you go. And we go out. Wow. What a beautiful.
Thanks, X-ray, lifting 02.
And take over your discretion, sir.
And Golf Uniform Yankee is downwind, touch and go.
Looking Yankee report final 02.
Final 02, Golf Uniform Yankee.
Golf Juliet Charlie, ready for departure
servicing 06012 knots, take care of your discretion upon reaching.
Golf Juliet Charlie.
Boy, it's gonna be fun trying to get in here. Alright.
Golf X-ray, we're clear to the north now. Much good, fly south end 130780.
Golf X-ray from Soto, thanks for calling in.
Thank you very much, Golf X-ray.
Golf Yankee is final 02, touch and go.
Golf Yankee, runway 02, servicing 05013, gusting 22 knots, touch and go discretion.
Golf Yankee, touch and go 102.
Beware, we do have an auto gyro in the climate, also in the circuit now.
Roger, visual. One, two, three.
message.
Lima Alpha RV12 out of plate. Bound for you. Currently approaching route mark 201025. No instructions.
Copy Alpha John Bromley 02 left hand circuit. QNH 1026 QFE 1011. Two aircraft currently in the circuit.
02 left 1026 1011 and I'll join direct to base on that. Lima Alpha.
Mark, give me one in circuit traffic.
Okay, Lima Alpha.
Golf Uniform Yankees on finals for 02, touch and go.
Between Yankee runway 02, Separating 066 actually. 14 gusting 22 knots, touch and go discretion.
Touch and go, runway 02, Golf Uniform Yankee. Golf Uniform Yankee, stopping.
Roger.
Golf Juliet Charlie downwind to 02.
Copy Charlie, report final 02.
Report final 02, Golf Juliet Charlie. Charlie on final for 02, touch and go.
Okay, Charlie runway 02, surface wind 050 at 15, gusting 22 knots, touch and go discretion.
Golf Juliet Charlie.
Traffic 8 o'clock, 8 kilometers, 1,000 feet above.
And Lima Alpha is just about to establish your place.
Device connection lost.
That was very well breaking. Yeah.